Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Projects. We are in the Django Web Development Application Framework or Django Web Development Framework. So it follows the MVT architecture we already seen in the previous videos. In this playlist we have covered a session 1 and session 2 and the session 3. A session 1 is rendering the HTML and CSS, that is nothing but the template. The session 2 which address the backend logic, that is nothing but the view. And the session 3 we have seen eCommerce Stationery website which is handling the model. Model mean database. Today we try to cover the login, sign up and log out. How user has to register, how user has to log in and log out from this eCommerce Stationery website. Without further delay, now let us jump into the session. Now I have opened the VS Code. You can see it on this screen. Now I am going on to the command line. You can see CLS, you can see it, and I am running the run server. And you can put the cursor over here and click on the follow link and it will try to come over here. These websites we already seen in the session 3. If not, please look onto it. The extension is a login or sign up. If you are a first user, you need to sign up first, and if you already signed up, then you can log in. Now let us see the sign up. It will try to render this web page where it is having the header and footer which is a derivative of the main website. Now you can see the sign up, username, password, confirm password and sign up. Now let me take it as an username, like as an Dali1234 1234 I have given, sign up. Now you can give the same thing over here. Okay, so here is a Dali1234. Now let us see what is happening behind the scenes. Before that, now let me share few of the things. So in the Django, it provides the authentication. You can see Django contribution authentication, import, authenticate, login and logout. And apart from this one, Django contribute authentication model. So this is nothing but as a database, a user's database. So now how sign up is working. So sign up is reading or getting the username, password, re-entering of a password, and the password and retype the password is same or not. If it is the same, then it was creating with the taking the username user objects dot filter if already user or username exists or not. If doesn't exist, then it will try to create the user. You can see the user objects dot create underscore user with the username and password, and that object will be the USR. You can see it over the screen, and USR dot save, we are saving into the database. So this is the, if you are first user to these websites or any website, that sign up is the matter. If you already sign up and you know your password and the username, that you need to give it as an authenticate. Authenticate can take, you can see authenticate, it has been there, and username and password. If it is success, then you can log in giving the request and user. This second login we are using. Logout, just you can use the logout with request. Okay, now we are providing the tip number 1, redirect. If you have the alias name after this login or logout or sign up, where it has to go, that is the meaning of a redirect. You redirect can take the alias name from urls.py. And the tip number 2, username is equal to request.post. You can give it like a list, that is called as a square bracket. Password is equal to request.post. Post method, you can give it like as in a square bracket. The similar things we have already seen in the session 1. Request.post.get with a parenthesis, you can give the name. Both will do the same. Now let us move to the source code and see what is happening. So whenever we have opened the source code, the first and foremost important thing will be we need to see what is the project and what is an application. So this is called stationery will be as in a project and store will be an application. So inside the stationery we will see one more stationery will be there, or you can see it over here, you can see. So inside this stationery you can see urls.py. So in this case the previous one we have added up to the year URL patterns, and now you can see the rest of the thing: path, sign up, login, logout, and whose functions it has been written inside the views. The views is nothing but from application, that application name is store. So and their alias names we have given sign up, login, and logout, and the base one that is called as in home we already given. So in the redirect I am using the home. And coming on to the media URL and media root, we already seen in the session 3, please refer to it. Now how these things it has been implemented mean, next we need to go to the store, and views.py will be helping us to do the things. This is the views.py. So in the views.py home you already seen in the session 3, and the rest of the thing just now I have explained with the same thing. Sign up, it is taking the username, password, and confirm password and confirm password. If they are not same, then it was saying as an error. If they are same, then it is going to the filter whether the username already exists or not. If not, it is creating the user, then it is saving. This process is nothing but the sign up. And the login mean already you have the username and password. Authenticate is taking the username, password along with the request. If the user is not none, then we are giving login as a request and user and redirecting the home. So in the case of the sign up we are redirecting to the login, but in the case of login we redirect to the home. And similarly if we see the logout is also redirecting to the home. These three things it has been there, but in this case the form we are writing in the HTML format. So that's where we are coming on to the sign up form. Sign up form it has been there in a signup.html that is located inside the store. We have created a templates under that one signup.html. So we are already having the style.css. For this one we have already created the authentication auth.css that we try to refer later in a few minutes. Now if you come and see, the header will be the fancy stationery will be there and footer will be there. So the rest of the thing, this is a sign up form, and you can see the form. It is taking the username, it is taking the password and confirming the password, and button type submit, and this entire form is method is a post. And we are all, if already having the account, then it is giving a redirect that is called anchor tag. And if it's having error, it was displaying over here. Similarly login form, you can see it over here. Login also similar to the header and footer we are adding, and in this case we are asking the username and password with the input tags. Input tags we already defined in the session 2 in detail, especially input and types. And if you didn't have an account, then you have to go to the sign up, and this is the error message, and this is the footer. Now it is the time to come to the auth.css. So whatever the container which has been there inside the login and sign up, for that one the styles it has been written, especially it has been there in a container. Everything it has been around the container only. You can see it on, and lastly you can see it's a message, error message, warning message, success, all these things it has been there. And I didn't touch the style.css which I have carried forward from the session 3, and home.html. You can see this part I have added, that is called as a navigation bar, where you can see two buttons. One is called as a logout is one category, login and sign up is one category. If you already log in, then only you will come to see the logout. If you didn't sign up or if you didn't log in, then the logout will not come. It's like a condition based. First of all, if you is a new user, login and sign up will come. You can go to the sign up, and then it will redirect into the login. Then you will come to the logout. Yeah, so this much is the information we are providing in this one. And the main important thing will be the Django. It's already having the authentication support packages, which will be having a methods authenticate, login and logout, and the model database. It has been there in a user. If this video has given some information to you, if this explanation has given some exposure to you, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Along with me, please do practice opening the VS Code or a PyCharm and do the exercise. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. In the next video, we try to add the cart, how this product need to be selected and added to the cart. That information we try to see in the next video. And we also see the payment methods or payment gateway, how we need to add into our e-commerce websites. And with this one we are closing, and we try to meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.